Hey guys, this is Vatsal here from Biggest Tech, and in this video I will be unboxing and reviewing the Yunmai Smart Balance Wing Machine. It is simply a smart wing machine that can sync the data with your phone, and also it is similar to the Mi Bands that syncs data with the Mi Fit app. And before starting this video, I would like to mention that I have got this unit from Gearbest. They have sent it to me for review purposes, so it's my channel's first review unit, so I am really thankful to them. So first of all, I should introduce Yunmai. Yunmai is a sub-brand of Xiaomi, and this brand deals with the fitness products and it only sells in China. And yes, it is easily available across the international websites like Gearbest and many others. Now coming back to the scale itself, on the box it mentions that it connects over Bluetooth and it supports up to 16 users, so it means that it can simultaneously sync and measure the data of your whole family. So now let's open up the box and pull out the product itself. And on the compatibility front, it is also compatible with Google Fit, Fitbit app and Apple Health services. And obviously it is compatible with Yunmai app. So this is the scale itself and it is black in color, which is looking good. And the bottom part of this scale is made up of plastic, whereas the upper part is made up of fiberglass. And in the box itself we also get this manual, and it is a pretty basic manual which tells everything about this product, and thankfully it is in English. And here I would like to mention that it requires 3 AA batteries to work. And here this manual mentions that how you can open up the back lid to put up the batteries, and also it has the QR code that you can scan to install the Yunmai app. And then it also has some diagrams to illustrate how to stand on it properly. So coming back to the scale itself, it looks very good. As you can see, it is very different from the normal wing machines, and it is very similar to the Mi Smart Scale, that is the Mi Smart Scale that Xiaomi officially sells on their Mi store in India. And in the four corners we have the rubber mounts which will help it to grip on the floor, and in the middle we have a lid which will open up to allow us to insert the 3 AA batteries, and these can be any AA batteries which you can buy from anywhere. And here one thing I would like to say, that the smart scale looks very good and its glossy finish gives it a very nice feel. And now let's measure the weight. And for the proper weight, it shows 2 lines above the digital numbers which confirms that the proper weight has been measured. Now one thing to note here is that after you insert all the batteries in this machine will always remain active, and you just need to stand on it and it will start automatically detecting your weight, and there is no on off button on this machine. So the Yunmai app is easily available on Play Store or the App Store in the iOS. You can easily download it by searching it, and after you download it, as you can see, the interface is quite simple. It has 4 basic options on the home screen. Here the first option is to set your weight, and the second option is to set your goal. So you can set your goal in this option and it will be very helpful to maintain your weight. And the third option is the tracking graphs. Now here it shows the history on the daily basis, weekly basis, monthly and yearly basis. So it means you can track your body weight and body fat by these measures. And here the fourth option is brief report, and this is really the report that tells everything, as it includes BMI, body fat, skeletal muscle strength, water, protein, visceral fat, bone mass, BMR and fitness age. So if you go into the detail of every component, it tells you the definition, the meaning of every term and why it is important for your body, and also tells where your body stands. So here obviously the green is for good, the yellow is for medium and the red is for bad. Now here the most interesting thing in my opinion was the fitness age, and so I have zoomed in for you and you can read it here. Just pause the video. So basically it tells your age on the basis of the measurements the scale has taken rather than your birth date. So I am 18 but it showed 2 years less, means 16, so that's very good thing, and it means I am fit by 2 years. Okay, so in the Me option in the app we have some additional settings. We can change the unit, we can add the weight reminder, and we can also add our family members in it. Whereas in the settings we also have the option to sync the data to the Google Fit and the Fitbit. So coming to the price of this Yunmai Mini 2 Balance Smart Body Fat Scale from Xiaomi Black, very long name. It is readily available for 2924 rupees on Gearbest, and as a Black Friday deal it will be available for 2193 rupees, which is a really decent price for this. But in India you will not get any warranty on this product. And the big question here is the Mi Smart Scale is readily available in India for 2000 rupees, and which is even cheaper than this Yunmai scale. So why would anyone will buy it from China if it is already available in India? And I will say buy it from India because you will also get the warranty and the Xiaomi branding with it. But in case in future if you get any better deal on the Gearbest, as I will regularly update the description, so you can buy it from Gearbest also. And also I will be leaving a 10% discount coupon in the description below, so don't forget to check it out. So that's it in this video guys. If you did like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe my channel for more such content like this. I will also be uploading several other tech videos on this channel very soon. So thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next one.